Part A. Part B. I really have no idea if that blue foam that I'm inserting as a mid layer is a smart idea, a bad idea, or, well, just tell me in the comments below. Now that everything is absolutely covered in foam dust and I vacuumed it all off, the next step is to cut the decking. So I'm gonna cut my deck pieces, put it on there like a jigsaw puzzle, and rivet the crap out of this and seal that deal. So my layout lines are in place. Now I'm gonna do one thing before I start riveting, and that is lay down a bead of thick sew on each one of the cross members and the seats. Thick sew is from Total Boat. It's a 2-part epoxy, and it comes out of a caulking style tube. So see how that works. So this is the main hatch, the lid. I'm welding it out of 1x1 inch aluminum, 16th wall. And I hand cut some 45s with my grinder, and they're special looking. Now I am by no means a good welder, but I can make stuff that's really strong. So I'm just welding up all the corners and really just making this thing rock solid. So the deck is complete, the hatches are in, they just aren't riveted in yet. I want to see what my foam height looks like so I can get them just really dialed in. But now it's on to, well, the front. Now, I had originally just thought I would rivet the entire thing down, call it good. Thing is, I kind of want it accessible in case I run electronics up there in the future. So what I'm planning on doing is I got this pretty slick little threaded insert kit. I'm gonna pull a whole bunch of threaded inserts around. I might do a few rivets because they're easy to remove and redo. Ta-da! But I think the threaded bolts are gonna be what I want. So then I can pull it off, add new equipment up front if I want, or fix wiring or whatever I need to do. I think that's my plan. In the home stretch, got some acetone, wiping down the front deck. I'm gonna lay down the EVA foam, call it good. So I've installed hatch number 1, the big one. It's riveted in place. I put the latch system in, so you just twist, up you go, down, lock it down, good to go. Threw the foam on top and we're in good shape. I'm gonna repeat that process right here. It was kind of stressful. So I can sit here and pretend like I know what I'm doing with wiring, but truth is, I just learned it off YouTube. So I'm gonna put a link in the description and hopefully a video link up above to a channel that really nailed it where I learned. So do that. Now let's finish this up.
Here's the boat build. Rear deck. I ran out of EVA foam, so my buddy Jeff hooked me up, and that was awesome. So now, almost done with the back. I'll just get a new thing of camo. Rear hatch, gas tank, batteries will go there. Nice firm fit. That's where the control panel will go, and a little battery switch. Depth finder, and all of my hatches and trolling motor mount, nav light. Boom. That was a lot of work.